Today, I will show you how to reset network settings on an Android phone. First, open your phone and go to Settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down until you find System. On some phones, this option may be called General Management, so don't worry if the name is different. Next, tap on Reset or Reset Options. From the list that appears, select Reset Network Settings. If your phone uses 2 SIM cards, it may ask you to choose which SIM you want to reset. Select the correct one. After that, tap on Reset Settings. Your phone will now ask you to enter your PIN, pattern, or password for security. Enter it correctly. Then, tap Reset to confirm. The phone will reset all network connections, including mobile data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Finally, restart your phone. After restarting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. This process helps fix network problems without deleting your files.